Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram application. Here on the right bottom, click on this profile icon. So here you can see the option of edit profile. Click on it. Here in the second option, username, click on this and write your desired username. Wait for some time. So yes, this username is available. Here on the right top, click on this tick mark. So now you're done. Your username has been changed to what you keep, and it will take some time, but now it's set. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you.